All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's Friday idiom. So, nick of time. Oh, something was done just in time. Whew. Whew. Yeah. Without much time to spare. Ooh. Ugh. Yes. I handed my homework in. I handed my homework in the nick of time. Yes. We managed to complete it in the nick of time. Whoa. Yeah, we had 5 minutes spare. Oof, definitely. Whew. We finished the article in the nick of time. Wow. Perfect timing. I did my gym routine in the nick of time. Yes. So I finished my running in the nick of time. I had 5 minutes spare before I had to make an important phone call. How cool is that? The nick of time. Whew. She wrote the book in the nick of time. Yes. The deadline was the 18th of February, but she finished writing it on the 17th of February. Just in the nick of time. Yes. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. How cool is that? So something was done just in time, without much time to spare. Yeah, 5 minutes, 1 day, or just in time, in the nick of time. Whew. Yeah. So, language explorers, can you write nick of time in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel, more videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, and Udemy when you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.